Hello there! Thanks for joining us. We're really glad you did, because in this tutorial we'll be creating this cool clock made out of a timber pallet, and this would be perfect for your art studio. So let's get into it. We don't need a lot of stuff for this project, just some hands, a clock mechanism, and these can be found at most craft shops, a 5mm drill bit and drill, a ruler, some string for a string compass, and some chalk, and of course a timber pallet. The first step is to find the center point on the pallet by creating a cross over the pallet. Where the lines meet in the center, we mark. Next we can drill a hole in that center point of the pallet and place the mechanism through it and apply the fasteners. We then tie a loop onto the end of our string and use an acute point in the center, and then wrap the other end around a sharpened piece of chalk. Then create a circle onto our pallet. Now we can apply the dollops of colour. The idea is to use the primary and secondary colours like on a colour wheel. Starting with brilliant red at 12 o'clock, vermilion at 1 o'clock, orange at 2 o'clock. And there is nothing at 3 o'clock because that's where the thumb groove lies. At 4 o'clock is the Montmartre logo, but at 5 o'clock there is a dollop of light green. At 6 o'clock there is a dollop of sap green applied, and at 7 o'clock we have used turquoise. At 8 o'clock phthalo is used, and at 9 a dollop of violet. For the 10 mark we created a mix of phthalo blue and crimson, and finally for 11 o'clock we used pure crimson. The final stage is to fit some ferrules and brush tips onto the hands. This is easily done by removing the ferrule, placing it back over the clock hand and pressing it flat with some flat nose pliers. Once both the minute hand and the hour hand are attached, you can hang your clock on the wall and never be late for anything ever again. Well, thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this little project and we've inspired you. Stay tuned because we have lots of great projects in the pipeline. And if you like this project, we've got lots more on our website. Jump online to check out our Create blog and sign up with Creative Connection to get lessons, inspo tips and more sent directly to your inbox. Staying inspired doesn't have to cost a cent.